Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dent token. On the 4-hour time frame chart, recently Dent token has broken out the resistance of the triangle, and on the weekly time frame chart, after breaking out the smaller falling wedge pattern, now Dent token is breaking out a very big resistance of a bigger falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my last trade signal of Dent token that I shared with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal back setup that Dent token formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that from this buying zone, the price line started a very nice reversal and reached the sell target zone here. Again, moved down, again, reached the sell target zone. And again, after some sideways move, we had another very nice pump. And before that, I shared another harmonic bullish reversal setup that was a butterfly move on the 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And after playing this chart, we can see this was, by the way, a very nice pump, very big pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description. Now, let me to take you to this weekly time frame chart first. And here we can see that Dent token was moving. In fact, it is still moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. We have found the resistance of this wedge here back in the month of April 2021, found the support here in the month of July 2021. And you can see while moving between this resistance and support, it was also following this downtrend line support as well. So at the same time, it was also moving inside a down channel. And here we found another downtrend line resistance. Let me zoom out this chart so it will be easy for you to watch this new resistance. This was the newly formed resistance, and when I shared the last video, at that time after the breakout, it was testing the previous resistance of the smaller wedge as a support. And you can see we had a nice pump, and after that it retested the previous resistance as a support, and now it is breaking out this very big resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern. If we switch to the daily time frame chart, then you can see it has completely broken out this resistance. Now if we watch here on the 4-hour time frame chart, then previously I was showing you this symmetrical triangle. Now recently we have broken it out. Our target for this breakout, by the way, was here. Let me just show you the expected target that we were expecting was here, approximately at $0.000765, and you can see it has rallied even beyond the target, but now it has stuck at this short-term resistance of $0.000859. Previously, you can see we got rejected here. We got rejected here for the past several hours. You can see it is getting rejected again and again by this resistance of $0.000859. Now, if we switch back here on the bigger time frame, then you can see we have broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart and on the weekly time frame chart. Within next few hours, it will be confirmed when we will have the closing of this weekly candlestick above the resistance that it has broken out this wedge on the weekly time frame chart as well. And after breaking out, our final target for this bigger falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 2.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.